Welcome. Today we're diving into the world of mini gold melting furnaces. If you're looking to invest in a 1 to 2 kilogram furnace, stay tuned for essential insights and tips. When considering a mini furnace, prioritize these two crucial features: a 30% IGBT induction system for faster heating and a 25% PID accuracy for precise temperature control. First, it's vital to understand equipment quality. Cheap models may lead to safety hazards and major financial losses. By focusing on quality, you can avoid overheating, crucible compatibility issues, and service life concerns. Next, let's analyze the capacity and melting load. Rated capacity can be misleading. For example, a furnace rated for 1 kilogram of gold may only handle 500 grams of lighter metals like silver. Always check the crucible volume to prevent overload. Beyond static weights, ensure the machine can handle continuous operation without long cooldowns. Ask suppliers for specific fill line and duty cycle information. Let's address maximum temperature compatibility. This affects how versatile your furnace is. Basic gold requires temperatures around 1064 degrees Celsius, while platinum needs over 1768 degrees Celsius. A furnace like the Tech, reaching 2100 degrees Celsius, offers flexibility for various metals. Heating technology is a critical factor. Traditional resistance heating is slower and less efficient than IGBT induction systems. Induction provides rapid heating, safety, and more consistent results. Temperature control is another essential aspect. Employing a proportional integral derivative (PID) system offers precise temperature management, eliminating damaging swings that can compromise alloy integrity. Now consider the crucible type. High-quality machines match crucible materials to specific requirements. Options for graphite versus quartz are essential for diverse applications, particularly for high purity or high temperature melts. Safety features shouldn't be overlooked. Quality furnaces include overcurrent and overvoltage protection, along with proper cooling systems to prevent hazards during operation. For a solid decision, utilize a quality scorecard. Consider factors like heating system type, temperature control accuracy, and safety features. This will simplify your comparison process. Before purchasing, clarify your target metals and batch sizes with suppliers. Always request a melting test video to verify the furnace's efficiency and stability under operational conditions. Are you ready to elevate your melting operations? Invest in quality and precision for your projects. Happy melting!